Hey, Arnold. Hope you're doing okay. How's your blood pressure?
Because the second teleport transfer won't wait forever, old buddy. Today, you're going to become one of the few who have visited the surface of a lava lake, and the only one to get out of there alive. Although, all bets are off with your luck, Arnie. All right, then. 3, 2,
1. Open your eyes or you'll miss everything. You only have 1 nanosecond. You're in Africa at 613
meters above sea level, in the vent of the seething volcano Arnold. Impressive, ain't it?
The air temperature at the surface of the fire lake reaches 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt cast iron. Hey, chill out, Arnold. In 1 nanosecond, nothing's gonna happen, even with you. I mean, if you really run out of
luck and stay there longer, your lungs will burst into flames at your first breath. Your skin will peel off. The only sensible course of action will be to plunge into the lava lake completely, so that you pass out due to a pain shock, and within 90 seconds, wake up in a better place. Not much of a prospect, huh? So stay put, bud, and Arnold, take your finger out of the lava. Oh, great. What now, Arnie? Want me to teleport you to the summit so you can enjoy the view? You hear that sound too? Arnie, get out of there! The speed of this fiery stream is 1 mile per hour. Hey, are you serious? And you wanted to go to Hawaii on vacation. If there's an eruption there, you won't be able to outrun the lava flow, even riding a hoverboard. Well, finally a sprinkling of something useful out of you, Arnold. Put your finger up if you like this video, send it to your friends, and subscribe.